Yes, good morning, dear students. Welcome to Infinity Learn Mathematics in a Simple Way. So today we are going to learn the integration by substitution method. So this type of one question will be appear in your annual exam, part B, question number 28 or 29 for 2 marks. So let us try to understand what is the concept of a substitution method first. Integration by substitution method. Here the given integral f of x dx can be transformed. This integral we are transforming the what? The integration of f of x dx can be transformed into another form. We are transferring the given integral into the what? Another form. How we are transferring means what? By changing the independent variable x. Here the x is what? Independent variable in the function. X is what? Independent variable to t. We are changing the independent variable x to t by taking the word substitution, that is x is equal to g of t. It's very simple. The given integral we are transforming to the what? Another variable, that is transforming to the what? Another variable by changing the what? Independent variable x to what? T by taking the substitution x is equal to g of t. Consider I is equal to f of x dx. This one. Now put x is equal to g of t and differentiate this one with respect to t. Derivative of x with respect to t is nothing but dx by dt. G of t, derivative of g of t is what? G dash t. Now solve for dx. Dx is equal to dt comes here. G dash of t into dt. Now come to the what? Given integral, that is I is equal to f. In the place of x, what we have taken the substitution, that is g of t. Put g of t here. And what is the value of dx? Dx is nothing but g dash of t dt. This is what? The derivative of what? The value of dx. In this way we are going to change the what? Independent variable x to what? T. Then we are going to integrate the function. So one more question arises. When to take the substitution. So maximum students are facing this problem. When to take the substitution, how to decide, and when to take the substitution. So it's very simple. When to take the substitution, if one function is appears, see here, if one function is appears as derivative of another function, it means function and its derivative together will appear here in the given integral, in the given integrand, or in the given integral, function and its derivative will appear. At that time we have to take the what? Substitution. At that time we have to take the substitution as what? F of x. See here, this is the function f of x and its derivative. If it is the given integral in this form, then we have to take the what? F of x as the what? Substitution. Next, now again another form. If f of x divided by f dash x. See here, f of x is what? Function, f dash x is what? Its derivative. At that time we have to take the what? F of x as the what? Substitution. Yes. In the same manner, f of x raised to n and f dash x, where n is what? Any real number or any integer we can say here. Any real number. If it appears f of x raised to n f dash x dx, at that time take f of x what? Substitution. In the same way, f of x raised to n divided by f dash x, again we have to take the what? F of x as the what? Substitution. So in this way we have to decide the what? Substitution. So let us do the what problems now, the 2 marks problems of the previous year questions. So first one, find the integral of 1 by x plus x log x dx. So here it is a very simple problem by using the word substitution. Integration of 1 divided by x common here. Write the first step of the solution as it is the given integral. Take x common, 1 plus log x. Take x common, 1 plus log x dx. Now see here, a derivative of log is what? 1 by x. Derivative of log is what? 1 by x. We have to take the what? Substitution here. 1 plus log x. Put 1 plus log x is equal to t. 1 plus log x is equal to t. Now differentiate with respect to t. Now differentiate with respect to t. Derivative of 1, 0. Derivative of log x, 1 by x. Derivative of x with respect to t is what? Dx by dt. Derivative of t with respect to t is what? 1. So here once again, a derivative of log 1 by x, derivative of x with respect to t is nothing but dx by dt is equal to derivative of t with respect to t is what? 1. Now this one, dx is equal to this x comes here and dt comes here, x into dt, x into dt. Now come to the given integral here, that is 1 divided by this x as it is. What is we have taken 1 plus log x is what here? T. Right in the place of what? 1 plus log x as what? T. Now value of dx is what? X dt. X dt, then x get cancel, x get cancel. Integration of 1 by t dt means 1 by x, dx means what? Log x. Integration of 1 by t dt means what? Log t. That we are writing is what here? Log t plus c. Then what is the value of t? 1 plus log x. Replace it last. Log of 1 plus log x plus c. Plus c. See here once again I am going to explain. First take the x common in the denominator because x plus x log x is there. Now take 1 plus log x is what? T. Differentiate with respect to t. Derivative of 1 is what? 0. Derivative of log x 1 by x. Derivative of x with respect to t is what? Dx by dt. Right side is equal to derivative of t with respect to t is what? 1. Now 1 into dx, x into dt, cross multiply x dt. Yes, dx is equal to what? X dt. Now come to the given integral 1 by x as it is. 1 plus log x means what? T. Dx value is what? X dt. X get cancelled. 1 by t dt. 1 by t means what? Log t plus c. What is the value of t? 1 plus log x plus c. Yes. Now come to this one. See here. Integration of 2x into the bracket sin x square plus 1 dx. X square plus 1 dx. So write the bracket here, x square plus 1. Sin x square plus 1 dx. Yes. Now it's where is derivative of x square is what? 2x. See here. This is the function x square plus 1. Its derivative is what? 2x. Now take the what? X square plus 1 is equal to what? T. Put x square plus 1 is equal to what? T. Put x square plus 1 is equal to what? T. Now differentiate with respect to t. Derivative of x square is what? 2x. Derivative of x dx by dt. X with respect to t is what? Dx by dt. Right side. Derivative of 1 is 0. No need to write the derivative of 1 because it is a constant. Derivative of constant is what? 0. 2x plus 0 is what? Again it is 2x. Yes. Then derivative of t with respect to t is what? 1. Now dx is equal to, solve for a dx. This dt comes here and 2x comes to the what? Denominator here. Yes. Divided by 2x. Divided by 2x. Now come to here. Now this one 2x sin t, because we have taken x square plus 1 is what? T. Now dt by what? 2x. This 2x get cancel. 2x get cancel. Integration of sin t dt. What is the formula of integration of sin? Minus cos. Integration of sin is what? Minus cos t plus c. Then minus cos. Compulsory you have to write the value of t, that is x square plus 1. X square plus 1 plus c. Yes. So let us next problem. Evaluate integration of 1 by x minus root x dx. March 2015 and September 2020 this question has been asked. It is a very important problem. So see here, first we have to write the what? Given step as it is, solution. Yes. After writing this one, integration of 1 by root x into root x minus 1 dx. See here. Observe here. X minus root x is there. It can be written root x into root x. Root x into root x is what? X. Root x into 1 is what? Root x. Yes. Now take this substitution. Root x minus 1 is equal to what? T. Put root x minus 1 is equal to what? T. Root x minus 1 is equal to what? T. Now differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t. Derivative of root x 1 by 2 root x. Derivative of 1 is what? 0. Derivative of x is what? Dx by dt is equal to derivative of t is what? 1. t with respect to t is what? 1. Now dx is equal to, see here, this term cross multiply 2 root x dt. 2 root x dt. Yes, come to here. Then 1 by this root x as it is. This is what t. In the place of root x minus 1 is what? T. Root x minus 1 के बदला क्या लिखते हैं? T. Root x minus 1 is what? T. Now dx means what? 2 root x dt. This root x get cancelled. 2 ones are 2. 2 take 2 outside. 1 by t dt. Integration of 1 by t means what? Log t plus c. Then 2 log t means what? Root x minus 1 plus c. So this is the final answer. Yes. Now come to the what? Second, another, find sin x, sin of cos x, June 2014. See here, derivative of this cos is what? Sin x. So take the substitution is what? Cos x is equal to t. Put cos x is equal to t here. Put cos x is equal to t. Derivative of cos minus sin x. Derivative of x dx divided by dt. Derivative of t is what? 1. Now dx is equal to, this dt comes here, dt, and this sin comes in the denominator here. That is minus sin x. That is minus sin x. Yes. Now come to here, sin x as it is. Sin, see here, motions here, sin, this is cos x. In the place of cos x is what? T. Dx means what? dt by minus sin x. This sin x get cancelled. This minus sign take outside. Take minus sign outside. That is minus sin t dt. Integration of sin is what? Minus cos t. Minus of minus cos t plus c. Minus into minus plus cos. What is the value of t? Cos x. And one more thing, remember, last we have to replace the what? The value of t by t. Whatever we have taken the what? Substitution. Yes. Next problem. Evaluate 1 by cos square x into the bracket 1 minus tan x bracket square dx, March 2019. See here, 1 by cos square is what? Sec square x. Write the first step. 1 by cos square is what? Sec square x divided by 1 minus tan x bracket square. Yes, 1 minus tan x bracket square dx. Now 1 minus, put 1 minus tan x is equal to what? T. Yak 1 minus tan x togobeku, because derivative of tan is what? Sec square x. Sec square get cancelled, you will get what? 1 by t square. You can easily integrate it. Is equal to t. Derivative of 1 is what? 0. Differentiate with respect to t. Derivative of 1 0 minus sin, derivative of tan sec square x. Derivative of x dx by dt. Derivative of t is what? 1. Now solve for dx. Now dx is equal to dt comes here divided by minus sec square x. Minus sec square x, come to the what? Given integral here. See here, 1 minus tan x is equal to t. Differentiate derivative of 1 0. No need to write minus sign as is derivative of tan sec square x. X derivative dx by dt. T derivative with respect to t is what? 1. Solve for dx. Dx is equal to dt by minus sec square x. Come to here, sec square x as it is divided by 1 minus tan x is what? T. That is t square. Dx means what? dt by minus sec square x. Sec square x cancel. Take minus sign outside. Dt by t square minus t raised to what? Minus 2 dt. T raised to minus 2 dt. That is equal to what? Minus t raised to minus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1. That is what? Minus 1 by minus 1 plus c. Then minus into minus plus minus into minus is what? Plus t raised to minus 1 can be written 1 by t. T raised to minus 1 can be written 1 by t. That is 1 by t plus c. That is equal to, what is the value of 1 by t means what? 1 minus tan x. plus c. So your next problem, cot x into log sin x is there. This is f dash x, this is f of x. Put log sin x is equal to t. Put log sin x is equal to t. Now differentiate with respect to t. Derivative of log 1 by x. Instead of x, what is here? Sin x. Derivative of sin cos x. Derivative of x with respect to t is what? Dx by dt. Derivative of t with respect to t is what? 1. 1 into cos. Cos. Cos by sin. Cot. Cos by sin is what? Cot x. Dx by dt is equal to 1. Now dx is equal to cross multiply dt divided by cot x. Dt divided by cot x. March 2020. Yes. Now integration of cot x as it is. Derivative of log sin x is what? T. Dx means what? Dt by cot x. Dt by cot x. Cot x cancel. Cot x cancel. Now integration of t dt. Integration of t dt, that is what? T square divided by 2 plus c. What is the value of t? Log sin x. Log sin x bracket square divided by 2 plus c. Divided by 2 plus c. Next problem. Evaluate root tan x divided by sin x into cos x dx. This is very important problem. It has been asked in the year July 2017. It may be asked for 3 marks also. Yes. So to solve this one, what I am doing here, root tan x divided by sin x by cos x into cos x into cos x dx. What I did here, divide and multiply cos in the denominator. Divide and multiply by cos in the denominator. Yes. Next step, root tan x. Sin by cos is what? Tan x. Cos into cos, cos square x dx. Now this can be written root tan x 1 by cos square. Here 1 it is. 1 by cos square is what? Sec square x divided by this cos I will take into the what? Numerator. Cos I will take to the what? Numerator. 1 by cos square is what? Sec square x. This tan x can be written root tan x into root tan x. Yes. This root tan x get cancelled. Then dx. Then integration of what? Sec square x divided by root tan x dx. Put tan x is equal to t. Now you have to take the word substitution. So I will solve the remaining part of the problem. Solution is here. Yes. I will rub that problem first. So here I will rub this one. We will do this one later. So here put tan x is equal to t here. Put tan x is equal to t. Derivative of tan sec square x. Derivative of x with respect to t dx by dt. Derivative of t with respect to t is what? 1. Now dx is equal to sec square x dt. Sec square x dt. I am writing the solution of this part here now. Now come to the what here? Integration of sec square x as it is. Derivative of root tan x. Tan x means what? T. Root t. Then dx dt divided by what? The value of dx. Dt divided by sec square x. Sec square x cancel. Now integration of 1 by root t dt means what? 2 root t. 2 root t plus c. What is the value of t? The value of t is what? Tan x plus c. Tan x plus c. It's very simple. First what we are doing here, in the denominator, in the given integral, in the denominator, divide and multiply by what? Cos. Sin by cos will become what? Tan. Cos into cos is what? Cos square x. Take cos square x into the numerator, that is 1 by cos square is what? Sec square x, that is using what here? Reciprocal relationship of what? Trigonometric function. Then tan x can be written in the denominator, root tan x into root tan x. Root tan x cancel. Then the remaining is what? Sec square x divided by root tan x dx. Put tan x is equal to t. A derivative of tan x sec square x. Derivative of x with respect to t is what? Dx by dt. Then dx by dt. Then dx is equal to, solve for dx, sec square x dt. Dx is equal to what? Sec square x dt. Sec square x dt. Then come to the what? Given integral. Integration of sec square x as it is. Root tan x means what? Root t. Dx means what? Dt by sec square x. Sec square x cancel. 1 by root t dt. Integration of 1 by root t is what? 2 root t plus c. What is the value of t? Tan x. Next problem. Integration of cos root x dx divided by root x. It's very simple. Put root x is equal to what? T. Put root x is equal to what? T. Root x is equal to what? T. Differentiate with respect to t. Derivative of root x, 1 by 2 root x. X derivative with respect to t is what? Dx by dt. Derivative of t with respect to t is what? 1. Then dx is equal to 2 root x dt. Cross multiply this term. 2 root x dt. Then come to the what here? Cos t divided by root x means what? As it is. Root x as it is. Cos t, because we are to cancel this what? Root x. Dx means what? 2 root x dt. This root x cancel. Take 2 outside. Integration of cos t dt. Then to integration of cos is what? Sin t plus c. What is the value of t? Sin root x plus c. Sin root x plus c. Next this one, see here, 10x raised to 9. Derivative of x raised to 10. 10x raised to 9. Derivative of 10 raised to x. 10 raised to x into log 10. Put x raised to 10. Put x raised to 10 plus 10 raised to x is equal to what? T. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of x raised to 10. 10 x raised to 9. 10 comes to the back side. Derivative of x raised to n is nothing but nx raised to n minus 1. Instead of n, what is here? 10. 10x raised to 9 plus derivative of 10 raised to x. 10 raised to x into log 10. Into log 10. Then derivative of x dx by dt. Derivative of t is what? 1. Now solve for dx. Dx is equal to, yes, dt cross multiply, dt divided by, dx is equal to dt divided by 10 x raised to 9 plus 10 raised to x log 10. Log 10. 10 x raised to 9 plus 10 raised to x log 10 to the base e divided by t. Divided by t. Wait a minute, I will write here. I will write from here. Yes. Write once again here this one. Integration of 10 to the 10x raised to 9 plus 10 raised to x log 10 to the base e divided by this one is what? T. Now dx means dt by, dx means what? Dt divided by, yes, 10x raised to 9 plus 10 raised to x log 10. This and this get cancelled. Yes. Now integration of dt by t. dt by t is what? Log t plus c. What is the value of t? Log of x raised to 10 plus 10 raised to x plus c. This is the final answer. 1 by t dt is also okay. Dt by t means also 1. Same. 1 into dt is what? Dt. Yes. Yes. Evaluate integration of x square by 1 minus x raised to 6 dx. This question has been asked in the year June 2015. So see here. Write first this one. Integration of x square. Solution of the first step. Write as it is. X square divided by 1 minus this x raised to 6 can be written x cube bracket square. 3 2s are 6. Using law of exponent, a raised to m into a raised to n is what? A raised to m into n. Now take x cube is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to t. 3x square dx by dt is equal to 1. See here. Derivative of x cube 3x square. Derivative of x dx by dt. Derivative of t is what? 1. Now dx is equal to dt divided by 3x square. Now x square as it is, this is what? 1 minus t square. 1 minus t square dx means what? Dt by 3x square. 3x square. I think we did the mistake. 1 minus x cube. Yes. Now take 1 by 3 dt by 1 minus t square. Dt by 1 minus t square. What is the formula of integration of 1 by a square minus x square? A square minus x square. It is exactly in the form of what? 1 by a square minus x square. See the formula. See the formula. What is the formula? Now in dt by this one dt by 1 minus t square. It is exactly in the form. See here. It is exactly 1 square is what? A square. X square means what? T square. 1 by 2a log of a plus x divided by a minus x plus c. According to this formula, this 1 by 3 as it is, integration of dt by 1 minus t square. 1 by 2a. 2 into a means what here? 1. Log of a plus x. 1 plus t square. 1 plus t. 1 plus t. Yes. 1 plus t divided by 1 minus t plus c. By using this formula. Yes, according to what? This formula. Now 1 by 3 2s are 6. 1 by 6 log of what is the value of t? 1 plus the value of t is nothing but x cube. 1 minus x cube plus c. This is the final answer. This is the what? Final answer. Yes. Write it fast. The next problem. Integrate e raised to tan inverse x divided by 1 plus x square with respect to x. It's very simple problem because derivative of tan inverse x is what? 1 by 1 plus x square it is. Now integrate e raised to tan inverse x divided by 1 plus x square dx. Write the first step. Yes. Now take substitution tan inverse x is equal to t. Put tan inverse x is equal to t. Derivative of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square. Derivative of x is what? Dx by dt. Derivative of t is what? 1. Derivative of tan inverse x. It is a standard function. Derivative of tan inverse x is nothing but 1 by 1 plus x square. Derivative of x dx by dt. Derivative of t is what? 1. And solve for dx. Dx is equal to this term cross multiply here. 1 into dx 1 plus x square dt. Yes. Now e raised to t divided by 1 plus x square dx means what? 1 plus x square dt. Now 1 plus x square get cancelled. This get cancelled. Now integration of e raised to t dt is what? E raised to t. Integration of e raised to t dt is nothing but e raised to t plus c. Now e raised to t means what? Tan inverse x. E raised to tan inverse x plus c. This is the final answer. I hope you are getting the what? Solutions. Next problems. See here. Evaluate sine into the bracket tan inverse of 1 plus tan inverse of sine of into the bracket tan inverse x divided by 1 plus x square. It's very simple. Derivative of tan inverse x is what? 1 by 1 plus x square. Put tan inverse x is equal to t. Put tan inverse of x is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to t. With respect to what? T. Derivative of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square. Derivative of x is what? Dx by dt. Derivative of t is what? 1. Solve for a dx. Dx is equal to 1 plus x square dt. Yes. Now this one is what? Sin t divided by 1 plus x square. That is 1 plus x square dt. 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square cancel. On integration of sin t dt, integration of sin is what? Minus cos t plus c. Minus of cos t means what? Tan inverse x plus c. It's very simple problem. Then again see here, derivative of log x is what? 1 by x. Put log x is equal to t. Put log x is equal to what? T. Derivative of differentiate with respect to t. Derivative of log x 1 by x dx by dt is equal to 1. Is equal to 1. Now dx is equal to x dt. Now dx is equal to what? X dt. Now this one log x means what? T. T square divided by x. Dx means what? X dt. X cancel. Integration of t square dt. It is what? T cube by 3 plus c. 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. What is the value of t? Log x. Bracket cube divided by 3 plus c. Now put 1 plus 2x square is equal to what? T. 1 plus 2x square is equal to what? T. Put 1 plus 2x square is equal to what? T. Derivative of 1 is what? 0. Differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t. Derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of 2 comes backside. 2 2s are 4x dx by dt is equal to 1. Now dx is equal to dt divided by 4x. Now come to here. This is x. This is what? T. Now dt by 4x. This x cancel. X cancel. Now integration of root t. Root t means what? T raised to 1 by 2 dt. T raised to 3 by 2. Its reverse is what? 2 by 3 plus c. 1 plus 2 is what? 3. 3 by 2. Its reverse is what? 2 by 3. Now 2 by 3. What is the value of t? 1 plus 2x square raised to what? 3 by 2 plus c. Plus c. This is the final answer. Evaluate x into root of x plus 2 dx. Put x plus 2 is equal to t. Put x plus 2 is equal to t. Then x is equal to what? T minus 2. X is equal to what? T minus 2. Now differentiate with respect to t. Differentiate with respect to t. Derivative of x dx by dt. Derivative of t is what? 1. Derivative of 2 is what? 0. Now dx is equal to what? Dt. Dx is equal to what? Dt. Yes. Now see here, in the place of x we are writing t minus 2. In the place of x, what is the value of x here? T minus 2. T minus 2. Root of x plus 2 means what? T. That is root t. Dx means what? Dt. Dx means what? Dt. Now multiplying this one, t into root t. T root t can be written 1 by 2. Root t. T into root t. T into root t. That is what? Root can be written 1 by 2 minus. That is what? Dt minus 2 into root t. To root t integration of dt. This one base is same, add the power, t raised to what? 3 by 2 dt minus 2 outside, integration of t raised to root means what? 1 by d. Because 2 is constant, take constant outside. Yes. Now integration of this one t. 3 plus 2 is what? 5 by 2. Its reverse is what? 2 by 5. 2 by 5 minus 2 t raised to 1 by 2 means what? T raised to 3 by 2, its reverse is what? 2 by 3. Its reverse is what? 2 by 3. Wait a minute, I will write here. T raised to 3 by 2, its reverse is what? 2 by 3. Yes, plus c. What is the value of t? X plus 2. Now 2 by 5, t is replaced by what? X plus 2 minus 2 2s are 4. 4 by 3 x plus 2 raised to what? 3 by 2 plus c. Plus c. Now the next one, question number 16. See here, this one, in this I am taking what? 2 common. 2 common. In the 4x plus 2, I will take 2 common. After taking 2 common, 2x plus 1. Root of x square plus x plus 1 dx. Now put the substitution here. Put x square plus x plus 1 is equal to t. Derivative of x square 2x. Derivative of x is what? 1. Then we are taking what commonly here? Dx. Derivative of t is what? Dt I will write. Now solve for dx. Dx is equal to what? Dt divided by 2x plus 1. Dt divided by what? 2x plus 1. Come to the given integral here. 2 into 2x plus 1. Its value is what? Root t dt by 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1 get cancelled. Take 2 outside. 2 outside. Root t means what? T raised to 1 by 2 dt. 2 t raised to 3 by 2. Its reverse is what? 2 by 3 plus c. 2 2s are 4. 4 by 3 t raised to 3 by 2 plus c. 4 by 3. What is the value of t? X square plus x plus 1. Plus c. Plus c. Next one. This one. X cube minus 1 raised to 1 by 3. X raised to 5 can be written x cube into x square. X raised to 5 and splitting x raised to 5. X cube into x square. I am splitting the what? X raised to 5 x cube into x square. Now x cube minus 1 is equal to what? T. X cube minus 1 is equal to what? T. Let's take the substitution. X cube minus 1 is equal to t. X cube minus 1 is equal to t. Put x cube minus 1 is equal to t. Then x cube is equal to what? T minus t plus 1. X cube is equal to what? T plus 1. X cube is what? T plus 1. Yes. Now differentiate 3x square. Differentiate with respect to t. 3x square dx by dt is equal to 1. Derivative of x cube is what? 3x square. X derivative dx by dt. T derivative is what? 1. Now dx is equal to 3x square dt. 3x square dt. Then x cube minus 1 is what? T. T raised to 1 by 3. Then x cube means what? This x cube is nothing but t plus 1. This x square as it is. Dx means what? Dx means dt by, sorry, this one is dt by 3x square. Dt by 3x square, that is what? Dt by 3x square. X square cancel. X square cancel. Take 3 outside. 1 by 3. This one. T raised to 1 by 3 into t dt plus t raised to 1 by 3 into 1 is what? T raised to 1 by 3 dt. Yes. 1 by 3 is common. Yes. 1 by 3. Now integration of t raised to here 1 it is. 3 1s are 3. Base is the same. Add the power. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 1 is what? 4. Yes. Integration of t raised to 4 by 3 dt plus t raised to 1 by 3 dt. Yes. Now 1 by 3 t raised to 4 plus 3 is what? 7 by 3 plus 1 plus 3 is what? 4 by 3. What is the value of t? Put the value of t x cube minus 1. That is 1 by 3 x cube minus 1 raised to what? 7 by 3 plus x cube minus 1 4 by 3 plus c. So this is the final answer. Correction here, its reciprocal is what? 3 by 7 here, right? 3 by 7, I forgot to write, and this is what? 3 by 4. This is what? 3 by 7, and this one is what? 3 by 4. Make it correction. Yes, make it correction. Next, see here, integration of x divided by 9 minus 4x square dx. So put 9 minus 4x square is equal to t. Derivative of 9 is what? 0. Differentiate with respect to t. Derivative of x square is what? 2x. 2 4s are 8. 8x dx by dt is equal to what? 1. Then dx is equal to dt divided by minus 8x. Minus 8x. Minus 8x. Wait a minute. गलत हुआ क्या बस में. Yes. Now come to the what here. This is x as it is. 9 minus 4x means what? T. Dx means what? Dt by minus 8x. This x cancel. Take minus 1 by 8 outside. Integration of dt by t. Minus 1 by 8. Dt by t is what? Log t. Plus c. What is the value of t? The value of t is nothing but 9 minus 4x square. 9 minus 4x square plus c. 9 minus 4x square plus c. And find the integral of this one. X divided by e raised to x square dx. Put x square is equal to what? T. Yes. Now this one 2x dx is equal to what? Dt. Now dx is equal to dt by 2x. Yes. Now come to here, x by e raised to t dt by 2x cancel. 1 by 2 integration of take e raised to t into the numerator. It will become what? E raised to minus t. E raised to 2 can be taken numerator. It is what? E raised to minus t. That is 1 by 2 e raised to minus t divided by minus 1. The coefficient of t is what here? 1 plus c. Now this one minus 1 by 2 1 by e raised to t plus c minus 1 by 2 1 by e raised to t means what? X square. E raised to x square plus c. Yes. Next put e raised to x plus e raised to minus x is equal to what? T. E raised to x plus e raised to minus x is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to t. Derivative of e raised to x minus of e raised to minus x dx is equal to what? Dt. Yes. Derivative of e raised to x is what? E raised to x plus e raised to minus x derivative is what? E raised to minus x into minus 1 plus into minus minus. Derivative of x dx by dt I am writing directly dx is equal to what? Dt. Now dx is equal to dt by e raised to x minus of e raised to minus x. Come to here, e raised to x minus of e raised to minus x divided by t. Now dt by e raised to x minus of e raised to minus x. Cancel it. Yes. Dt by t. Dt by t means what? Log t plus c. What is the value of t? Log of e raised to x plus e raised to minus x plus c. So this is all about the what integration by substitution method. Still we have a 12 to 13 problems are there. In the next video we are going to discuss those problems. So please watch my channel till the end so that you will get the what clear concept. So this type of the problem will appear for 2 marks in the part B, question number 28 or 29. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.